Hi there, my name is Gunjan and welcome back to my channel. So we have got this amazing festival vibes going all around us. We have got Christmas coming in where we are going to meet our friends and family, exchange gift, and of course there'll be food. And I know it's difficult to stay on your diet around this festival season. All I can do in this time is help you with some amazing recipes so that you don't feel that you are on diet. This tastes so good, and today I'm going to share one of that recipe, which is going to be my miracle cookies. You can call them magic cookies also. This is by far the best cookie recipe I have ever tried. They are amazing. They are fudgy, they are chewy, and they taste absolute heaven. Apart from that, the another great part about this recipe is it's got less than 1 net carb per cookie. It's a great recipe if you have your any family member doing keto. You can give them. If you are doing keto, you can make this for yourself, and you can make this to gift it to your friend or anybody who is doing keto or low carb, and I guarantee you that they won't believe that this is some low carb version of these cookies. These are that good. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out this amazing recipe. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And now let's go to the recipe. So let's go ahead and start with our keto miracle cookies or magic cookies, whatever you like to call it. And these cookies are sugar free, low carb and keto. And to make that, here is my mixing bowl, and into this I'm going to add 2 medium size room temperature eggs. I'm cracking this open into my mixing bowl, and as soon as it is done, bring out your spatula or your whisk and start whisking them until it's all well combined and form one mixture. And next we are going to add our keto sweetener into this, and for that here I am using this one, which is a blend of stevia and erythritol, and I am adding 1/3 cup of this. This is the granular form of the sweetener, and you have to whisk this until the sugar is completely dissolved. But if you have powder form of this, it's even better, so that you don't have to whisk it too much, because this takes a while. Now once sugar is completely dissolved, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and blend that in with your spatula or your whisk, whatever you are using. And next it's time to add your fat. Here I am using some organic coconut oil, but if you like that buttery cookies, you can definitely sub this for some room temperature organic butter. It will give a nice buttery flavor to your cookies. And mix everything in until it's all well combined. And now here it is, our wet ingredients ready. Now it's time to prep for our dry ingredients. Now for this recipe I am going to weigh my dry ingredient for the accurate measurement, and for that here I have got my weighing scale. The first dry ingredients I'm going to use, it is oat flour, and I'm going to use 35 gram of this. I use this in my many recipe. This is an amazing keto ingredient, and this ingredient has got 0 net carb and it has got 0 calorie. It's an excellent ingredient to add to your keto baking goods without adding any extra carbs. And once that has been added, mix everything in until it's all well combined. If your cookie dough is still in runny consistency, add 1 or 2 tablespoons more of oat fiber to achieve a consistency as you can see it in the video. And next add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and blend it in with the mixture. And now next into this I am adding 30 gram of coconut flakes. This is unsweetened one. And once that has been added, next I am adding 40 gram of roughly chopped pecans and 30 gram of roughly chopped almonds. And last but not the least, some stevia sweetened chocolate chips. I am adding about 58 or 60 gram of it. and we are done with the dry ingredients. Now set your weighing scale aside and mix everything all in and form a nice cookie dough, and allow this to chill in your refrigerator for about 1 hour. And after 1 hour has passed, here is my baking tray lined with my silicone mat. You can use parchment paper also. I absolutely love using silicone mat, and with the help of my trigger release ice cream scooper, I am scooping out the cookie dough batter and I'm forming dough balls out of this. If you don't have this, you can form a dough ball using your hand as well. With my recipe, you will get around 12 pieces of cookies, and once that has been done, this goes into oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So basically you have to bake this until the edges are golden brown, and once it is out from the oven, it will be incredibly soft. So please allow this to cool down until it's completely set, and after cooling down, your cookies will be like this. As you can see, your keto miracle cookies are ready. It has got nice, soft, chewy and fudgy texture. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment below how did you like my recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.